photo shoot. My friend Princess's son, he's graduated. He's going to Tennessee State. So I'll give y'all some behind the scenes footage of his pictures. I'm cute today. That was a birthday. So let me go. Y'all can see me this way, it's dark. And the wind is blowing my dress. About to die. Oh Lord, y'all, my life just flashed before my eyes. Oh Jesus. Oh Lord. Oh y'all, them bitches tried to get me, almost died. Oh, my heart beating fast. You guys have never met my oldest friend, as Princess.
What are we on?
YouTube.
Oh, okay.
I know, it had melted. It had melted and solidified back about 3-4 times. But her baby, do you got? No, Naomi got the oldest kid, I forget.
Yeah.
Okay. But her oldest. Have we been out of school 21 years?
This year,
Y'all are old. Anyways, her oldest child is graduating. Y'all seen the pictures. Minus in the. Okay. That go Paige. Oh my God. She's a twin, but her twin don't say too much. Y'all may get a glimpse of him later. I know, as he goes in the house. That's why you're gonna be all on YouTube. This pose, okay. Get the angles.
Wait, hold on, I gotta get next to you because he's looking at me. Hey, son! Why you looking like that? Baby!
He's like, oh, this cat baby had David. Don't y'all be looking at her. I don't care if she is legally grown. Don't be in my comments and stuff. Tell me who is she. Watch yourself.
My number is no
And there's somebody. Oh, hold on, okay.
I'm gonna put y'all. She thought I was 12. She said, y'all 12. 12?
No, there it is. Now y'all see why I don't show y'all my friends? Especially that one.
You know.
You done?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry for the lighting. The kids. We just waiting for people to roll past. Cause I'm hot. And the balloon was cute.
It was so funny.
I know.
Let me say, you won't love me. You can take your place. You are not with me. Your love I said, I'm free.
What's up, Wave Trains? Happy Tuesday. I'm here with a new do. Yeah, I just got my hair braided yesterday. But as you just saw, the kid is in there. He is enjoying Vacation Bible School. Today is the second day, and I'm so glad that my church, even though we're virtual, he can still participate in Vacation Bible School and things like that. So that's really awesome when, you know, your church thinks of everybody, even the kids. Sometimes it's like they forget about the kids, but anywho, he's enjoying that. I am sitting here just waiting for him. They do large group and then they break off into small groups. So in like 30 minutes or so, he'll get on for a small group and do his lessons there, and that's about it. I'm just chilling. I went and I DoorDashed today. Surprised my best friend Tina and took her something to eat. She is expecting another baby. I'm so excited. Elijah's godparents, they're expecting baby number 3. So excited for them. Yeah, that's all I gotta do. Yeah, but my hair is like super long, so it's like down my back. Oh, y'all can't see it. Excuse me. I'll show y'all another picture. Y'all see it. But anyways, just want to say hi. See y'all in a minute. Bye. Excuse my loud parents over there. But I got a Hello Fresh box. I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. Oh my god, it's so easy. So this is what I got. We have firecracker meatballs. And what is this one? Barbecue pork burgers with chipotle aioli. What is this? Oh, aioli. And potato wedges. And then creamy Parmesan chicken spaghetti. This is not sponsored, however I wish it was. And then there's all stuff, and my friend did gift this to me, so that's why I got it. So that's cool, guys. When we get ready to make these, I will be sure to come back and show you guys how we make each one. And they have the directions, easy to follow directions. Ooh. And then you can also keep these, and then you just get the stuff yourself to make it. There go the kids. Say hi.
Hi.
Happy Wednesday, guys. We're about to go out. I'm about to do. Can you stop jumping on the couch? About to DoorDash a little bit today. Excuse me. Not the roller. DoorDash a little bit for today, and then we have some other things to do. And gotta wash and do this kid's hair today.
Did you hear that ringing?
That's a whole another job in itself. How you been? Tell them about Vacation Bible School.
It's doing great.
What y'all learned about yesterday?
We learned about how we praise to God.
Yeah. You had fun, didn't you? If you guys were checking out my Instagram, then you probably saw like a video or a picture or something. You go on focus. You guys probably saw a video or a picture or something like that. Yeah. If not, it'll be clips in this vlog. So yeah, about to go. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm back. As you saw, the kid is still, well not still, but he's in there doing Vacation Bible School today. I just finished making the meal. It was amazing. It tastes so good. I got a little bit left. Can you see that? There we go. So yeah, it was very, very good. So I was thoroughly impressed. Like I said, I didn't use the well, I didn't tell y'all in the video, I didn't use the little spice stuff that they had for the chicken because I don't like spicy food, so I didn't use that. Excuse the fan noises. After being downstairs with the oven on like 400 and something, I am extremely hot. But yeah, so there's that. And I'm gonna finishing this. I'm watching a little YouTube, watching Day to Day David. Shout out Kayla and Freddie and Skylar. There you go. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Once the kid is done, we'll probably watch a movie together. VBS, Vacation Bible School, is over with at 8 o'clock. So he'll probably eat dinner and then we'll probably watch a movie or something together. Or he'll probably want to play a game. Anyways, that's it for right now. I don't think I'm doing too much anything else today. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. So yeah, thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't, turn on your bell notification, and follow me on all my social medias, including the kid. He has an Instagram. Yeah, that's it. Thanks guys. See you in the next video. Bye.